Hello guys, currently I am in Kolkata Airport. In this video guys, you will see the current status of work going on between the airport and the new Barrackpore Metro section. Also, I will share some updates and what is going on for the remaining new Barrackpore and Barasat section. Friends, this metro section comes under the Kolkata Metro's yellow line. As we all know, the trial runs between the Noapada Airport metro section are going on, and this section will be open soon. The construction work between the airport to New Barrackpore has also started. Guys, a worker informed me that the beautification work in this area will take around 2 more months for completion. This is the demolished rail station guys. At a segment of time, the local train service was available from here. But guys, no issues. Then the Indian Railways runs local trains, and in the upcoming months, the same Indian Railways will run the metro trains from here. There are multiple entry and exit gates for the airport metro station. Near the airport, 2.5 number gate, another entry and exit gate for the metro station is built. By this gate guys, the passengers will enter or exit directly from the Joshua Road to the airport metro station. Guys, the Metro Railway has successfully acquired the Airport Authority of India's electrical and mechanical workshop building. The airport to New Barrackpore section will be made by the traditional cut and cover method. The Birati metro station will be just after the Birati mode. The markings for the Birati metro station has been done. In this area guys, the Birati metro station will be constructed. Guys, these structures will provide support to the soil and avoid the soil from collapsing. Friends, first, these supporting structures will be made in a huge amount as the metro stretch is too long. Then these structures will be injected vertically in the soil by using the cranes, and then the digging work will start. After that, the concreting work will be started. For a simpler understanding, here is a pic. Yes, this process might be a bit time consuming comparing to the tunnel boring method, but it will reduce the construction cost. Guys, as per the RTI I had filed in November 2024, the construction work was delayed due to not getting the height and other NOC from the Airport Authority of India. But in May 2024, the RVNL has received the NOC. The work inside the airport premises will be taken up shortly after the security clearance. The Kolkata Metro also sets a tentative deadline for the completion of airport to Michael Nagar section as the August 2028. In this 2.80 km, section from airport to Michael Nagar, the needed area is being barricaded and work for the construction of the road structures are going on. The construction work for the Michael Nagar Metro station has also started. After Michael Nagar to New Barrackpore, works in some patches are going on. But guys, in this section the barricades were placed, so I cannot shoot that how much work has started. The new Barrackpore Metro station will be just near to the BT College bus stand. Guys, as per the satellite images, the construction work for the new Barrackpore Metro station has also started. But guys, these works are carried out up to New Barrackpore. After New Barrackpore to Barasat, the metro made it very clear that the work can be undertaken only if the state government provides help. This is the main problem, guys, which comes in almost every section of the metro construction in Kolkata. But guys, do you think is it be feasible, as according to the official maps of the Kolkata Metro, from New Barrackpore the line will follow the railway tracks up to Barasat. I think if the metro is made via Joshua Road from New Barrackpore to Barasat underground, then it will not only cater the residents around the Joshua Road, but also there will be less hurdles. If you are a regular commuter in the Joshua Road, then you must know that how much the road gets congested during the peak hours. Guys, for more understanding of the pros and the cons of the metro alignment via railway tracks or via the Joshua Road, you can also watch this previous video. Hope you all had enjoyed the video.